When Whitestone Dome reaches out to me and they offer another screen protector for me to review, I get mixed feelings. I get a feeling of excitement and fear and terror all at the same time, because the install process could be somewhat lengthy and tedious and scary, and there's just a lot of steps involved. But the end result of installing a perfect Whitestone Dome glass screen protector on your device is so satisfying. It leaves it feeling like you're actually touching the glass of your phone, whereas you're not just touching a piece of plastic. But this installation, this product is a little different. It's something completely new. So new that I haven't seen it before, and I'm so excited to be able to debut it with you here today, right here, right now. A whole new installation experience. Whitestone Dome has gone ahead and taken this and literally broken it down into 4 steps. 4 steps. So here we are, a brand new Whitestone Dome installation process. But first, this is for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now, where's my S20 Ultra, you might be asking? Oh, it's just right over here in my phone So Pro. Here that is, which just got done cleaning, sanitizing, and preparing my phone to get all sorts of protected. There's a link in the description if you also want a phone So Pro and you want to save a little bit of money. Good until the end of the year, so get your coupon code. So on our 4 easy steps, it says that we have fit your device into the jig, drop the adhesive and dome glass. Seems like they're cramming 2 steps into one, but we'll give them a pass. Just remove with the W pin UV curing. That's pretty easy. If this is the future of Whitestone Dome, this is a bright future. Here's everything we need in order to go ahead and get our installation going. So they've packaged this up a lot better than they have in the past. They've literally given us 3 screen protectors in one. So we have some room to mess up a bit, and we also can go ahead and if it breaks, which it's supposed to, if you drop it or it gets cracked, you can take it off and you can replace it there. And they've even given us the extra glue in the box. So extra glue, extra screen protectors. This thing is definitely showing its value right now to us today. One of the first things we want to do is go ahead and identify any openings that we have, any buttons that we have, because what we're going to do is we want to go ahead and cover these up with the tape they provide. Now is as good a time as any to go ahead and get our device powered off. Here's the E-Jig. Now I'm doing this for the first time with you guys, so please bear with me. But it says that you just put this in here until it kind of, there's the snaps into place. And then it wants you to remove this little tag on the inside. Remove it so the stickiness that's left over just nice and easily goes over the speaker. So it feels nice and secure in here. Like I feel good about this. I really do. It says make sure to twist the mechanical spring completely until the mechanical spring does not twist. Okay, I cannot twist this anymore. Remove any dust on the screen with the dust removal sticker. So we're gonna go ahead and just grab our little sticker, and they gave us a bunch of these as always. So we're gonna come over here, unscrew our cap like that, boom. And then we're going to take it. Now when we open this, the adhesive is going to spread. Now if our table is level and we did our job correctly, it's all going to come out all at once, easy peasy. You take this off together and we remove the back. Removing camera hole. Place the dome into the bottom part. There we go. So it says we hold the W pin. Ooh! Ooh! I had no idea that was going to happen, guys. That was one of the coolest things I've ever seen. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna just put our weight right there. That was probably the prettiest installation I've ever done on a Whitestone Dome. They really knocked it out of the park for this one. Go ahead and cure the top and the bottom for 15 seconds each, and that's to kind of get the adhesive into a good spot. Take the tape off, take our included alcohol wipes and just clean up the sides of any excess glue or adhesive that may be anywhere. It does suggest that we go ahead and we cure it again. So we're gonna go ahead and do it again for 60 seconds. So we're gonna hit the button twice. And that should give us a 60-second timer, which is another advancement they made here, is you got a 15-second timer and a 60-second timer. And I also go ahead and get it in the center too, just to be safe, to make sure that I'm getting all the goodness. So there we have it, our Whitestone Dome screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. It's flawless. There are no bubbles. There's nothing. It looks amazing. I only wish I had this screen protector sooner, since I am trading this device in pretty shortly here, but it looks amazing. The glass feel of it is phenomenal. It's amazing. I'm really glad they did this. Good job, Whitestone Dome. Thank you for making your installation a little bit easier for all of us. I've done it once. Now that I've done it once and I understand the way this works, I will be able to do it with ease and comfort every single time. And you will too. Have confidence in yourself. Know that it is not as complicated as it used to be, and you are going to be left with an amazing product. Guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment below. Tell me what you think about this. Do you like it? Do you not like it? What do you think of Whitestone Dome? I want to hear all of the opinions. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.